And welcome back to the latest build that I'm putting out for you. This is my first build of a tank for the channel, so I thought I'd just put this together. It's a used set that I've picked up, so hopefully all the pieces are there. It looks so good so far. So I haven't got a box for it. It was unboxed, but did have instructions. 850 pieces, so it's a fair size at 1/28 scale. I have got some other tanks in my collection that, again, I haven't built with our box, that are fewer piece counts, but yeah, I thought I had a bit of time today, so I thought I'd start with one of the bigger sets. It certainly looks quite detailed. 150 stages. So yeah, I love the idea that everything's printed, there's no stickers. COBI do put a good set together, so yeah, let's crack on with this and yeah, see what you think. Thank you. lasted through all of that, this is the completed build, my first tank build for the channel. And I've got to say, I'm quite impressed. It's yeah, it's really detailed. I love the scale of it. Lots of little detailing on it. Only one little area I had a little bit of trickiness with, and that's this. It's not sitting right because it's not broken. The pin that held these together has slid too far into this tube, which can't just extract quite easily. So yeah, only little flaw that I had there. But yeah, really cool set. Definitely will be getting some more tanks. I mean, I've got another 2 or 3 that I could still yet build, so if viewing figures are quite good on this, I will put those out quite shortly. But yeah, quite a nice little build. I must say, I mean, this was a used set. I did buy it and have to take it all apart to put it all back again for the video so I could build it, and without having numbered bags because it was used, there was just a big amount of one colour, which made it a nightmare trying to find all the pieces. But yeah, it did get there, so it did take a little bit longer than it would have done being built new. But I picked it up at a decent price, so it made a decent saving over the new cost. So yeah, that's where I'll verify that. But yeah, no box, but just with the manual. Also has this little nameplate as well with the actual tank that it is. I'm not even going to try to say the name of that. Also is a little minifigure as well, which is quite cool. I suppose it's because it's from the Tank Museum. This is like a curator for the museum, and quite a lot of bullets as well, which are supposed to just fit into here. Would have been good if they went into a chamber, perhaps even had a fire in action, but perhaps that sort of tech is saved for much larger tanks, which I'm sure I'll get to at some stage. But yeah, I'm really impressed with COBI build quality, and we'll definitely be investing in some more. What are your thoughts? Have you got many tanks? Are there any that you would recommend buying? I've seen there is a huge one that they now offer, quite expensive, but quite a lot of parts, so it must make a really good build. Yeah, the only little fiddly bits there are on this. But yeah, these are more display pieces. They're not really play toys because there are too many little parts that will come off. But yeah, there we go. In a nutshell, really good, and we'll buy more. Thanks very much. I'll see you on the next build. Please do like and subscribe. Really want to get these subscription numbers up to the 1,000 figure by the end of 2024. So let's see what we can do together. Thanks very much. I'll see you again soon.